Want to rank local business listing like a pro? I have got a few strategies in this video that will give you a secret sauce to do it. Hello everyone, welcome back. For those who are new here, I'm Umar, the founder of GrowthWinner. On this channel, I share my learnings and insights on SEO. In this video, I'm going to share how I approach link building for local businesses. There was a lot of demand about this topic in my recent live session, so I thought to create a full guide on it. Let me know your feedback by the end of this video. When it comes to ranking a local business in maps, that means we are talking about ranking Google Business Profile, which was previously Google My Business, aka GMB. The number one thing that plays the most important role are citations. If a thought just came through, this is what everybody says, right? Hold your breath and watch this video.
You just watch.
First things first, make sure your local listings are set up. If not, set it up as soon as possible. Google Business Profile, Bing Local, and Yahoo Local. The first one is very important as most searches are done on Google and hence Google Maps show up. And if you have them set up already, go ahead and see if they are properly optimized. Here's what to check for. Business name, address, contact info, which is phone number in most cases, primary and secondary category, business hours, original photos and videos of business, and brief description of business. Next up, if it's a new business and they don't already have it, ask the client or set them yourself as soon as possible. That is social profiles. It should be complete profile with description, logos, etc. Key social sites are Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter or X because you can provide addresses on these sites. And to take it further, build a profile on YouTube, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, and Instagram. Pinterest and Instagram can work really well for niches where visuals are promoted, such as anything in home industry, but that's out of the scope of this video. These basic steps are important. Otherwise, there's no point in building links or citations to a crappy profile that we are sure is not gonna rank, right? Now, if you are getting regular client reviews every month, you are good to skip to the next step. If not, ask your best customers or offer incentives in the form of bonus or discounts to new customers in return for a review, or simply just remind your customers to leave a rating to your business. Most of the time, we forget this in a busy world. So, if the business is serving well and they remind us to give honest reviews, we mostly give them, right?
Damn right.
The first priority platform to get the reviews is obviously Google, but I would highly recommend setting up something like Trustpilot or a platform where your customers look for reviews before purchasing from you. For example, it's clutch for software or most B2B companies. Even if you don't need reviews, sign up for review sites like TripAdvisor, Reviews.io, and Yelp to serve as foundational links. This is what I do. Everyone has different opinions. Okay, till now we have optimized local listings and we are getting regular reviews from customers. The next step is to add NAP citations. NAP means name, address, and phone number of your business. For God's sake, keep these three consistent all over the web. If not, it will be very hard for search engines to recognize which address and phone number belongs to your business. Start with important NAP sites. Now, it depends where you are based. I'm giving away important sites in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. It's not a rule of thumb, but it's a good start, right? If you're looking for more citation sources, I will link the resource by Whitespark in the description. While you're adding new NAP citations every month, make sure you are listed on industry-specific directories. If not, you can scour the internet and find directories and check where competitors are listed. Simply do a Google search for business type plus directories. You will see tons and tons of sites with a list of those directories. Have your VA find which ones are common on all sites and don't seem to be bad to create a filtered list. A quick litmus test is checking the site design that tells you if the website is legit or they're spamming the web pages, right? Since we are talking about directories here, one effective way to stand out from your competition is getting that local business listed in paid and authoritative directories such as betterbusinessbureau.org for USA-based businesses. You can find the same in your country. The benefit here is that not everyone will be listed here as these sites are not used in general practice when it comes to SEO. Moreover, tire kickers who only focus on free links don't have links from these directories. Same is the case with associations. Important check. Make sure the link is visible without logging onto the website, meaning it should not be the case that you have to log into the dashboard so the link gets accessible. It's a common sense thing that if you are logging in to view the link, search engines can view them as well. Another tip that I was able to implement for one of my clients' website is getting a Wikipedia page for that business. It's very effective strategy and there is a reason for that. Google uses Wikipedia as a reference and chances of getting a brand knowledge panel increases. Check out this page as an example of sentiment 50 mark. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create a video on getting a knowledge banner for brands. I'm talking about brand SERP, not Wikipedia page. Subscribe so you don't miss the chance to see the video when I make it. The next strategy can supercharge your local SEO, or it can tank your rankings depending upon how you implement it. That is press releases. These are not below the average $50 press release blast that you bought from Fiverr. I'm referring to the press releases where you get links from Yahoo, Business Insider, Bloomberg, Amazon, and other sites like these. We offer it as a part of our link building services to our clients at GrowthWinner. Just to make sure you don't mess it up, always optimize your press release just like we optimize a blog post and have the same information that matches your Google business profile, including name of business, address, and phone number. Also, the way I do it is one press release for one location. That means the PR is optimized for 1 GMB. And if you can get press release mentioned from news websites in your local area, it will benefit tenfold. Okay, we are not talking about guest posts here. Why? Umar, why?
Very good question. But your question hurt me.
So the point is that the guest posts are not as effective as citations when it comes to ranking GMB. Don't confuse citations as alternative to guest posts. But guest posts are handy to acquire links on the blog articles and then internally linking your service pages from those blogs. For the relevancy, you can go a bit broad. For example, a real estate website with organic traffic is best for home, interior design, and furniture businesses, and vice versa. I have shared my complete process of prospecting, writing emails, and negotiating with webmasters on my YouTube channel as a complete playlist for free.
Oh my god!
A prospecting strategy that I shared in that series could be very effective for local businesses. That is broken link building. Find where your competitors were listed but their page is gone now. Recreate it and reach out to the website owner to replace the link. For the next strategy, I have seen most SEOs talk about, especially those who sell courses on Udemy or as a lead magnet for their service. They suggest going for websites in the local area and sponsored events or anything where you can get a link as a sponsor. But this strategy is not scalable, at least from what I know, because you can't really find tons of events happening on daily basis, but you can find good citation lists and websites with organic traffic for guest posts nearly on regular basis, right?
You got a point there.
On the other hand, if you are managing a local SEO for your clients, ask them to sponsor events wherever they can. Or if you find an opportunity, shoot $100 and directly ask local websites seeking for sponsors to link to your website. Getting featured by any of these local resources such as local news sites may yield you some very authoritative .edu, .org, and .gov links that will impact positively on your local search rankings. Also, if client's business is popular enough and has opportunity where you can claim unlinked mentions for their business name, get them. Next, for you guys, I asked my buddy Fraser from Local SEO Warriors how he does link building for local businesses. He shot me with 2 tips. Number 1, promote your offer. Step number 1, have a great story or idea that can attract you customers. This could be your offer as well. Let's suppose if you are operating a pest control business, the idea to market your campaign could be to kill one rodent, take a picture and send it to us, get 50% discount in return. Easy peasy. Step number 2, now take this story and pitch to local press outlets. It can be any outlet, from your local news site channel to any random yourcityxyz.net website and local communities. As long as it has to do with a city you are in, you are good to go. Step number 3, make sure you ask for a do follow link when they mention you in the article. But here is the thing, and it's my opinion. Local algo is different. Don't worry about no follow links here. Get mentions and keep going. The second tip is get GMB approval without verification. And this tip is for the guys who build, rank, and rent out local business websites. Before you sign up for Google Business Profile to get approval, build solid citation consistently and give search engines enough context about your business so they don't have to ask for proof. That's why the foundational links strategy that I shared above is so necessary. This reminds me of a beautiful quote by Charlie: invert, always invert. Turn a situation or a problem upside down, look at it backwards. Because for our client sites, we set up the local profiles first and then build citation. Here we are doing reverse. That's it for today's video. Let me know what issues you face while ranking your local business and I will create a video on it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming video. Thank you. Bye bye.